Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. And today I would like to go over this new arrival that we just got in our collection. This is a 1971 Chevrolet Nova built for the street. This Nova has a 454 big block motor in it with the Edelbrock aluminum intake, electric choke, headers, aluminum water pump, power steering, power disc brakes, aluminum radiator, if I didn't say that, and then the upper and lower tubular control arms. Finished in a deep gloss black finish, as you can see there. And I'll go over a couple, I'll walk the car with you guys. But as you can see there, it's got the 750 CFM Carb written on the window, the automatic turbo 350, and the rest of the stuff that I went over. LED lights in the front, custom painted black front and back chrome bumpers have been redone. This is a 114 VIN Nova. As you guys know, you can't tell if this is a SS or not in 1971 unless you have documentation. So again, it's badged as an SS. You'll see in the back there, and the little 454 logo on the fender there. I like how the guy did the car all black, even the grill, tail lights, and all that good stuff. He popped on the rally wheels to give it that old school original look to it, especially like from the side here. As you can see, all the trim on the car has been painted black. He added dual sport side mirrors on it. All the door handles were painted black. Not sure why he didn't do the keyhole, but again, to each their own. Vented windows in the 71 Nova right there. Body and paint's real nice. There's only one mishap on the paint that I'll show you guys, and it's not really a big deal. But just nice stance on the car as well, as you can see. Beautiful paint. I mean, it really is a mirror finish on it. Look at that. Tail lights, back rear bumper has been painted. Here's the only thing that I saw here, guys. There's a little crack there. Now, if you wanted to fix that, that's not an easy. That will be an easy repaint, spot paint, should I call it? But we're selling it as is, obviously. Look at that finish. Okay, underneath is super clean. I did take photos, and you guys can check that out. And again, another little mishap here and there. I pointed those out in my photos. Cool side mirrors, huh? With the matte black, very, very cool. Love it. Okay. Trunk is like brand new. The original stampings are still in the trunk on the sides there, so I believe that both quarters are original. Door lips, all original, as you can see. Original welds here from the factory. Nice door panels. Inner and outer door jambs are in good condition. Very clean. New door sill plates. Back seats with the seat belts, nice package tray, dome light there. Showing $59.98, so let's just say $105. We know that's not original. Nice dash pad, looks brand new. Door panels look brand new. We gotta get that handle there, okay? I'm sure it's somewhere here. So let's fire this up real quick. You hear the fuel pump? Let's go. Sounds good. As you can see, the reflection, the headlights, LEDs do function. Wipers do not work. Okay. Horn, I can't get it to work either. Radio, it's a USB port here for the radio, but I just for some reason can't get it to turn on. as defrost or heat, I don't think it's hooked up. Good oil pressure. Sounds good. So there you have it, guys. We'll need a few odds and ends, as discussed, but the body seems to be all original. Paint is super nice. There you have it. If you need financing, we do require 10% down. If your credit score is about a 650 to like a 790, that will require about 10% down. The payments are tailored around your income and your debt, so that will work out as far as term. And for those of you who are 800 and higher on the credit score, we have a no money down option as well. Okay. And if you need delivery, please call or text us. My number is 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching MGMClassicCars.com.